If you're thinking about buying Moneyspire, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making a decision. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Moneyspire is the right choice for you or if other options might be a better fit. I'm also going to show you how you can get the best offer and try it completely free, so don't go anywhere. Next, let's dive straight into it. Moneyspire is a personal finance software that competes with other popular options like Quicken and Mint. But before you jump in, here's what you should be aware of. First, Moneyspire stands out for its clean interface and ease of use. Unlike some competitors like Quicken, which can feel a bit outdated and cluttered, Moneyspire offers a modern, streamlined experience. The dashboard is intuitive, so you can easily track your spending, budgets, and even investments with minimal learning curve. If you've used other apps and found them overwhelming, Moneyspire could be a refreshing change. Next, while the software itself is feature-packed, you'll want to know about its support options. Moneyspire offers email support, which is decent, but it's not as robust as competitors like Mint, which has a full support center and live chat. That said, for most users, Moneyspire's email support will cover everything you need. If you value quick, live support, this might be something to consider before committing. The third thing is the software's pricing model. Unlike Quicken or Mint, Moneyspire offers a one-time purchase fee, rather than a recurring subscription. This can be a big win if you're tired of paying for subscriptions that never seem to end. However, you do need to weigh whether the upfront cost aligns with your budget and financial goals. For some, this pricing structure is a real selling point, while others might prefer the flexibility of a monthly subscription. Moving on, the fourth thing you need to know is about the mobile experience. Moneyspire offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android, and the mobile experience is decent, though not as polished as some other platforms. It's functional, but if you're someone who needs seamless mobile tracking, it's worth trying out the mobile app first to see if it meets your expectations. Next, let's talk about security. Moneyspire takes your data seriously, offering bank-grade encryption to protect your financial information. This is a must in today's environment, and it puts Moneyspire on par with top-tier competitors. However, unlike some others, it doesn't offer two-factor authentication, which some users might miss. Still, if you're cautious about security but don't mind the lack of an extra layer of authentication, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. The sixth thing to consider is the software's integration with other financial tools. Moneyspire works well with banks, credit cards, and investment accounts. It allows you to import transactions directly, which is a major time saver. However, it's worth noting that the number of direct connections may not be as vast as Mint's, which connects to virtually every financial institution. For most users, Moneyspire's integrations will be more than enough, but it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for an extremely wide range of options. Finally, the last thing you need to know before buying Moneyspire is its long-term value. As a one-time purchase, it can feel like a significant investment upfront. However, compared to subscription models that pile up over time, Moneyspire could save you money in the long run. If you don't need constant updates or customer support and are mainly looking for a reliable, no-frills personal finance tool, Moneyspire delivers great value. Now, if you're thinking about giving Moneyspire a try, I've got a deal you won't want to miss. Click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial offer for Moneyspire, plus exclusive benefits. This is a great opportunity to test it out without the pressure of a commitment, so don't miss it. Remember, if you want to try out Moneyspire, click the first link below for the best deal and free trial. Don't wait. Take control of your finances today.